Hi everyone, my name is Sadia Khaf and today I will show you how to apply for Quebec Acceptance Certificate. First of all, congratulations on your acceptance to study in Quebec. I wish you good luck with your educational future. Let's get started. The process to apply for visa and study permit when you get accepted in Quebec is a little bit different from the rest of Canada. To study in Quebec, you need an additional document called Quebec Acceptance Certificate or CAQ. To apply for CAQ online, you have to search for CAQ application. The first link takes you to your CAQ application website. Here you will select fill in a new application. This will give you a checklist of the documents that you should have with you before you can start your application. This is just your passport, your acceptance letter, the information of the institute where you're going to study, and for the payment you're going to need a credit card. Generally, you don't need to authorize somebody else to apply on your behalf. If you're applying for graduate studies in Quebec, the chances are that you're pretty capable of applying for CAQ on your own. You don't need to authorize somebody else to apply on your behalf, but if you are, then you're also going to need to fill in the information about the person who is going to apply on your behalf. When you click begin your application, you will see these 10 steps, out of which some of steps can be skippable depending upon whether you're coming to Quebec alone or with a family member. You will fill in your personal information, your contact information. If somebody is coming with you, you will fill in the information about them. You will fill in the information about your program of studies, your educational institutes. You will fill in your financial information if you are required. Depending upon the conditions of your scholarship, this will also determine the personalized checklist of the documents that you will receive after this step to be attached with your application. If somebody else is applying on your behalf, you will also need to fill in the authorization information. After that, you will verify that all of the information that you've just filled is correct, and you will proceed to payment. After you pay for the application, you will receive a personalized checklist of the documents to be submitted for your application to be processed. Now, in most cases, these documents need to be submitted online as well as sent by mail. If you are submitting these documents by mail, make sure to scan these documents before sending them for your own record. Also, make sure to download and attach your application form as well as your personalized checklist and put ticks next to the documents that you are putting in your envelope if you are sending your documents by mail. Now, in 2020, the ministry has also developed an application through which you can submit these documents to online, but depending upon the country from where you're applying, this option may or may not be available to you. Search in your browser for ARRIMA, go to the portal, and here in the second option, you will see submitting documents foreign students. Through this application, you can access ARRIMA and upload all of your documents online, and you may not need to send any of your documents by post. Now, after your CAQ application is processed, you will receive an approval letter stating that your application for CAQ has been approved. Using that electronic version of the letter, you can proceed to apply for your study permit and visa. You don't need to wait for the CAQ itself to arrive by post, which will take some time. To save the amount of time that will take in your visa application, you can use the electronic version of the letter to proceed with your visa application. The charges for CAQ in the year 2020 are $116, and the charges for your visa application and study permit are going to be different depending upon the country you're applying from. Thank you very much. That's all for applying for CAQ. I wish you good luck with your studies.